Another rusty fan from the pile of fans I got from the scrap yard. All these were there. But point being, this is an Evergo. As you can tell, has all the signs of Evergo. These blades are not original. It had these white blades to it, but there were only 3 of them and they were all broken and beat up. But yeah. Anyway, let's start this thing. And low speed does not work because of the bearings are really stiff. So let's start with medium. As you can see, it's using Hampton Bay blades, and they do not fit the fan, so it's held in by 1 screw on each blade. This thing does like to make noise. And the string is extremely long, but let's go high. And it is insanely rusty, I know that. There it is on high. Let's turn it off. And yeah, as you can see, it's real messed up. There's a little dent right there in the switch cap. But yeah, see how quick it slowed down. Let's try to start it from low. That's low. And that's as far as it's gotten on low.